Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. My name is Shubham. I create Leetcode videos and software engineering related videos. So let me just change the view. Okay, yeah, so I guess it's visible. So today we are going to solve this question, and I have already solved this much of question. I have created a playlist. If you are new to this channel, you can check out the playlist definitely, and also consider subscribing. So I already opened this question. Let me just read the question. So the name of the question is to some second input array is sorted. Yes, given an index, one index array of integers that is already sorted in non-decreasing order. Non-decreasing order means increasing order. Basically, they deliberately write this non-decreasing just to confuse us. Find two numbers such that they add up the specific target value. Yeah, so we have to return the index of those values and return the indices. Yes, this is what, and it is always going to be of length 2, the output array. So we have to return a vector of, or the array of length 2, and there is only because there is only one solution that exists, as they are telling us. You may use same element twice. Okay, yes, so we can use the same element twice. You may not use the same element twice. Yes, your solution must be using constant, so we don't have to use the extra space here. We have to write our solution without having extra space. These are pretty much examples, and these are the constraints, and yeah, this is the exact same thing. Yes, so this is, as you can see here, this is a two pointer or question or a problem which we are going to solve using two pointer solution. So let me just write this question here. Let me just tell you the approach first, then we will quickly write. So this is a pretty easy problem. Uh, Once you know the how to use two pointers, and once you like start seeing the pattern, so yeah, we will be the given numbers of this a numbers array or vector like this. What we can do is we can, yeah, so if you see my previous video, we have two pointers I and j. That will I will start from the zeroth value, and j will be the n minus 1 value, the last value. And what we are going to do is we are going to add these values at these pointers. So 15 plus 2, and we will check if it is equal to target. If it is equals to target, we will return just the indices, this I and j. And one will be, one thing we have to keep in mind, that it is one base, so we will see how we are going to solve this in code. So yeah, so and the other condition will be the I plus j value is greater than the target value. So if it is greater, then we have to think which pointer we have to shift. So basically we have given this increasing array, sorted array, which is increasing. So we have to somehow decrease the value. We are getting 17 here, and the value is 19. So we have to decrease our the computation of these two numbers. So okay, we have two options: either like decrease this pointer or increase this pointer. This pointer is pointing to the greatest values, and this is the smallest value. So for decreasing our sum, so we have to just decrease our greatest value. So that's why in this case, when the sum is greater, we will decrease our j, and in the other case, when the value is smaller, we will increase our I. So yeah, that's pretty much about this solution or this approach. Let me just quickly write the code for that. That will help you to understand it more clearly. So the n will be numbers dot size int I equals to 0, and then j equals to n minus 1, and we will run a while loop. That will be I smaller than j, and we will have a if condition. If first we will calculate the sum. So sum will be numbers of ith value plus numbers of jth value, and we will check if this sum equals to our target value. We will simply return the indices I and j. Otherwise, if the sum is smaller than our target value, if it is smaller than, then we will have to increase our smaller values. Otherwise, we have to decrease our greater value. Yeah, and let me write the case for if we, but this case will never come since there will always be one solution. Yeah, just we, for the sake of this, we have to write this empty here. And now I will do one index, but our index in this start from 0 as we saw here. So before returning, we have to just add 1 to these, so it will be then 1 based. So yeah, this is pretty much. Let me run it. Yeah, so this is working for this case. Let me submit it. Yeah, it's working. Now let us check the time complexity. Time complexity will be, we are running a while loop from I to j, start from 0 to n minus 1, that is the whole array. So the time complexity, let me write here only. So the time complexity, let me check if you are responding. Yes, will be of n. And do we using any extra space? No, we are not using any extra space. So the time complexity or the space complexity for this approach is complexity of n of 1. So we are not using extra space, which is required here written in that you do to do it in constant extra space. So that's the solution for this. Yeah, so that's pretty much about it. If you like the video, please click on like. I am seeing people are not liking. If you really like the video, please comment something about this. And also, do you have any other better approach? You can comment down section. If you want something else from me, you can also comment down in the comment section. And also, don't forget to subscribe. I'm seeing like 30% of people subscribing, 70% not subscribing. So please try to subscribe. And yes, let me mark this, and you can follow along and also mark this. And yeah, tomorrow we are going to solve this question. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.